Hello my friends, my name is Hans Zimmerman and today I'm going to be showing you sounds of the future and the past and the present with sounds of the keyboard. Thank you, stay tuned. When we sat down to do the music for The Darker Night, I thought to myself, how will we make the sounds of the future for our movies that has not been released yet, who takes place in the future? How will we make the sounds of that time? When we set out to create a new instrument, it was actually quite a painful process, but it actually worked out quite nicely in the end. What we did was we got the synthesizers of the sounds of the 60s and the 70s and the 80s, and we mixed this with the internals of the guitars and different instruments from the 90s and the 50s, and we created a brand new revolutionary instrument which we like to call the synthesizer. The synthesizer has been the focal point of all the music I have created since I have been a music creator for these popular movies. Yeah. Ever since I was a young lad, I've always had an attraction to the music that is all around me. I hear the sounds around me that surround me, and I hear the music constantly. Music is constantly in my head. So ever since I was a young boy, I've think to myself, I want to create the sounds of feelings that can create the people to feel out of the things that they hear with their ears.
Like having a conversation. A question. An answer. We recorded some music to create the sounds of the future. It is actually quite empowering, the feelings that you get. It's like a feeling of 1,000 suns all burning through your skin. It's like you have 10,000 zebras all racing through your bloodstream, all running for one singular goal, and that is to answer the question of sound and light.
Hell Hans! Hello my friends, my name is Hans Zimmerman and today you're visiting my factory of sound. Now this is where we make all the great music that I show you, and today I'm here with my students. And today I'm going to be showing you the things that I show them, that teach them the factory of sound in their mind to make the beautiful music you hear today. Thank you, stay tuned. Open the synthesizers! I am Sahan Zimmerman. Thank you for joining me on this long emotional roller coaster of a ride. I'm losing my shit. Okay? Yeah, my shaisa everywhere. I'm losing it. Losing my shaisa. I cannot think straight. Okay, are you ready? So right here, yeah. Done one fun.
It tastes like the sounds of the future. Hello? The future is now.